Hey guys, I want to make a quick video about how to edit the RSI. I know many of you are new to Tradingview, so you need those tutorials. So let's begin. First, of course, if you haven't already, add it to your chart. Type RSI, Relative Strength Index, click on it and you see something like this, the default settings. Go to the top left corner of the indicator, click it twice, and now you see all your input style and visibility options. Okay, the most important thing, the RSI length, change it to whatever your strategy is. For example, if you want to change it to 10 and click OK, you see that the indicator immediately changes, right? If you want to go to style, for example, I don't need the RSI based moving average, just turn it off. If you want to make the RSI line pop up a bit more, you can click on the color, make it thicker line like this, and maybe change the color to pink. I don't know. Anything else you can do? You can turn off those bands, for example RSI middle band, you can remove it, turn it on or off, and you can change the levels of the bands. For example, let's say here is the upper band, you don't want it to be on the 70 level, you can change it to the 67 level, the bottom to 33. Okay, you can remove the background and make it as clean as possible and however you like it. But that's basically it. If you click OK, it changes and now it's pretty clear. So that's basically it. If you want me to make a video about something else, just comment down below and I'll do it. See you in the next video.